folks. Hey, it's me again. What am I trying to do? Well, I'm basically mucking around my lathe today because I want to get the speed right. And thanks to a viewer who said my speed is a little too high. I tried figuring this out, but I can't seem to get this thing, the speed's correct. So I'm going to muck around with it and record it and show you. So this is a King Industrial 10x22 metal lathe, which I picked up off of a local King Industrial thing. I'm going to see if I can bend this down here so you can see. If I can see what we're doing here. I don't know if you can see in here. It's not exactly the greatest view, but it says speed 150 should be B, C, and 1. So, let's see. A, I think is the back one. This one feeds the bottom. A. Wait a minute. Okay. This one is C. I think it's C. Are they marked? Let's check first. Are they marked A, B, and C? Can't tell. A, B, and C. Okay, this is C. Or this must be A. This is A and this is C. So let me check here now. If I take, I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here, but I can't get any more light in here. In the side, I don't know if you can see this. I don't know. I can take the belt off. Taking the belt off is no big deal. Usually just pull it like so, and that just kind of pops off. I don't know if anybody else got any other methods for getting belts off these things. I usually just pull it sideways and then twist it like this. See? And I'm lucky it doesn't grab my finger. There we go. It just takes it off. I think, I don't know if this one goes this way or what. See, it says B and C, so C is 1. I don't know. It should go on this one. This is the the belt go. Well, this is A. This is A. This is B. Unless it goes like this. Like the small one to the biggie one. Let's check here. There we go. Is this slower? All right. I think we plug this in. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the door off. I'm not gonna stick my fingers in there. I'm just gonna see if this thing. Look at anything that rolls off here first. There's no key in there. Safety first. There's nothing in there, and we're just gonna start it up and see. Come on, my button's screwed up here. Why does that seem fast? It seems extremely fast. The belt one, that one all the way to the end, and this one. So there you go. That's off. Let's try to take this thing off now. It seems a little bit fast. I don't know. See, it's like it doesn't, something doesn't jive. B, C, and 1. So it's 1. This is 1, the large one, the small one. So if we put it on here, like I don't know. I need something to tell how fast the rotation is. Try to see. Yeah, that seems slower. This seems a lot slower. So that's, the other one seems a little higher. So now we know this is C and this is B. A, B. Why is that? C. C is the chuck. Okay, let's see. Okay, so C would chuck. B would be the motor, maybe? What the hell is this one? That's the belt. Okay, that makes sense. So anyway, after putzing around, I figured out how to get it slow. Will I be able to get my little cutoff tool working? No, I'm going to try that next. So stay tuned. I'm going to add some more to this video. Stay tuned. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try slowing this thing down, and I'm going to try using the cutoff tool and see if that works. So hopefully you'll be able to see what I'm doing here. If I can get this camera mounted right about here. Here's the thingamabobber. Let me stop and set this up first. Now I'm going to attempt to chop this off again. I sharpened it up and hopefully it works. So. Find my mask. I always do one of these things. See the little, I like these. They're worth the effort. Let me check something here. It's amateur hour again. Let me try something else. Of course, everything falls down. Alright. I gotta put a magnetic bottom on this thing. No. Where did it go? Where did it go? I'll show you in a second as soon as I find it. As soon as I find that little piece. Hold on a second. Hello, folks. Well, I may have, what do you call it? Heated this part up a wee bit. I managed to do it though. It's approximately about the same, maybe, yeah, almost the same. Yeah, it's about the same size. It's crazy hot, and well, I got it to work, so that's a bonus. It's a bonus. Let me see, I put this down here. And question is will it fit in here? We got one side done, and we got the other side done. So now we have this side and this side done. I have a little bit of extra meat on each side. And what I'm going to do now is, I'm not sure if I want to just put a chamfer on it and pop it on here. Maybe I'll try that for now, see how I like it. But I'll put it in the lathe and see how that goes. So anyway, stay tuned and I'll get back to you. Hello folks, it's me again. So now I put a little, kind of a mini chamfer on it, but I don't know. I think I gotta make it, I don't know. Make it a little tighter, I guess. It's not tight of an angle. I don't know if you could see that. Put a little chamfer on it. This is it's just going to be a handle. It's not going to be a big deal, but I'm going to play around with this and maybe I can cut it some more. Who knows? I'll keep at it. Hold on. Well, folks, playing around with it off camera, I came up with this. It's not the greatest. It feels good to hold on to. I don't know. I might stick this in a grinder and just bzzz, and then turn it around and turn it like this and just go bzzz, and just like spin it and then, I don't know. Or I'll put it in a drill. I don't know. I really don't know. I might have to find a way to, I don't have a rounding tool. Maybe that's my next purchase. I could round it in, just do it. I don't know. I don't know. I could just, anyway. See, because the old one, which is around here somewhere, the old one is pretty round here. It's got a bit of a, I don't know. I'm not an expert at this, so I'm going to just probably mess with this. I probably could spin it and then just by hand. I could probably do it with a drill, but I'd have to somehow put a bolt on here somehow, something hold it in, or glue it on there, pop it off later. And on the other one, I accidentally picked up the wrong one and burnt my finger. Ouch. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and tell me how. Oops, there we go. There we go. Is this thing gonna stay? I don't know. So anyway. If you like what you're watching, me just messing around here, and just, like I said, I got this piece, which is getting pretty good. It's just a handle for the Wilton. I managed to get it fit, and then I don't know how much I'm supposed to leave on here to peen it on good, but I'm guessing it's not that much. It's probably a couple of thousandths, and just bang it on. I probably should test it on something, maybe make another one and give it a quick test. This light is not doing me favors. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll keep showing you what I'm doing. Thanks.